Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am announcing a new update for the Google Books affiliate plugin, because starting from now it is a real affiliate plugin. Until now it was able to only import books from Google Books. However, starting from today I made an update for it, and it will be able to also use affiliate IDs for Google Books and append your affiliate IDs to the imported books. So people, when click on your links that this plugin generated, you will be granted an affiliate commission once they will also purchase the books that you promote. So all you have to do is fill out your affiliate ID here. If you want to know how to get an affiliate ID, you can get one at Partnerize here, and after filling out your affiliate ID you will be having the affiliate ID added automatically to created links. So let's say this is my affiliate ID, and now we can go to latest books to post and search for example, test post. And when the test post is created, we will see that my affiliate link will be added to the link that the plugin creates. So War and Cinema. And if we scroll down, this is the preview of the book. And if we scroll down here at the read more, if you see down there at the bottom of the screen, you will have affiliate P, affiliate ID equals my affiliate ID. So when people will click here, I will be granted an affiliate commission if they will buy this book. Okay, so yeah, this is all for this video. So keep in mind that Bookomatic is an affiliate plugin starting from now. And yeah, thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to support this channel, and until next time, have a great day, stay safe, bye bye.